Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By Isesaki FM Zai. Gunma Prefecture has announced the latest number of cases of whooping cough, an infectious disease characterized by a prolonged cough. According to the report, 199 cases were confirmed in the week ending on the 3rd of this month, marking the 8th consecutive week that the number of cases has exceeded 100. The cumulative total since January of this year has already reached 1,816, indicating that the epidemic is continuing. As whooping cough is particularly susceptible to becoming severe in children and the elderly, people are urged to pay close attention to any changes in their physical condition and to seek medical attention as soon as possible.